What's up, YouTube? So I'm going to show you over 12 different cash out options that you can get paid in your PayPal. So I'm going to show you how to earn money, PayPal money fast and easy in this video. So this is going to be a how to make money online 2020 video. So I'm going to show you how this is possible. So earn money online fast and easy, how to make money online in 2020. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. I'm going to jump straight into this video. But if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I create multiple videos time and time again. So if you become a part of the family and you like, subscribe, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, and just leave me a comment down below. Maybe you can put free PayPal or PayPal money, or you could just simply put PayPal. That way I can know that you've watched the entire video, because what most people do, they try to skip ahead and they try to cut through most of the information. And whenever they get to the most difficult part, that's where they get frustrated, they get upset, and then most times they said things do not work out for them. So I just want you to not skip ahead. So just watch this video all the way. So this is my YouTube channel, and there's some great videos on here. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. So as I mentioned, I'm going to show you over 12 different cash out options. So there's multiple ways other than PayPal that I'm going to show you how you can get paid using different options. The good thing about what I'm going to show you, that it can be used worldwide, and anywhere over the world you could sign up for this and you can get started. So I'm going to show you how to earn some PayPal money fast and easy, how to make money online in 2020. Now, as I mentioned, 12 different options. There's PayPal, there's Visa, and also there's Amazon. So if you scroll down here, you could see multiple options of different testimonials that people are leaving about this particular app. So this is not the only app that I'm going to share with you, but I'm going to show you some different options as well that you can even make more money. So stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the end. So there's some great testimonials here as well. And I'm just going to pull up the app. If you scroll all the way up here, you could see you could earn $6.25 with your first survey. That's right. So your first survey, you're going to be making that money and you can get started. So people are already making great reviews. People are commenting, and I get so many different messages. So that's why I've created this video. So I'm giving you different options that you can go out and you can try it right away. So right over here, if you click on where it says download app, it's going to take you to the iOS. So if you have iOS or you have Android, you could sign up for this. Now, if you look right here very closely, you can use your iPhone or you could use your tablet. Whichever one is easier for you, that's going to be good. So most of you probably have a tablet. You could just pull it out on the tablet. You're sitting down on your couch and you just relaxing. You could do this. So they're paying high-paying daily surveys. Guaranteed. The first one, you're getting in $6. So you're making money and you can cash out with PayPal, iTunes, and so many different options to choose from. So this is what it looks like once you pull it up. There's like 6 minutes and you can earn like $3.56. And if you click on where it says phone, you could see right here that multiple different screenshots of earnings. And if you scroll down, you could see they have over 4.3 out of 5 rankings. That's huge. So out of 43,000 people rate this app, it's a 4.3 on the iOS device. So it is great. You could cash out when you shop in store as well. If you could do that, you take surveys for cash. We offer guaranteed surveys every day. So every day you're going to get a survey. Every day you can make more money. And if you click down below right here, you could see that there are high-paying surveys where you'll not only be rewarded, but you will also donate to like child starvation every completed survey. So you're giving back while you also making money. So as I said, once you get up to $25, you could pull out, but you can make your first $6.25 right away. You'll be able to cash out with PayPal, Amazon gift card, there's Visa gift card, and there's many other different options. So make sure you come over here and you sign up right away. So this right here, this is the Zap survey on the Google Play Store. So if you got Google, you have your Android, hey, this is a place that you can go. On the Android store, it's a 3.9 out of 8,000 reviews, not pretty bad as well. You know, once you find an app which is like a 3.1, 3.5, I consider that good. So people, yes, there's surveys here. People just mentioned there's surveys. There's 2 stars. There's 3 stars, and it's always like that, especially because I think they just came out with the Android app, so they're still working on it, right? Don't quote me on that. But if you look right here, there's 8,000 surveys on the Android, but on the iOS, there's over 43,000. So yes, this probably came out way after this, so they're still in the development process. They're still going through in order for do that. So PayPal payments, Amazon gift card, Visa gift cards. When you get to $25, you can minimum cash out, and cash out typically takes few days, as they mentioned right here, and you can earn by taking surveys each day and earn up to, like, 3 cents for some of them. And again, you can accumulate over and over again and pull it where you can even make more money. So here's the next place that I'm representing, and when I say representing, I mean I'm introducing it to you. There's no way, shape, or form of representing these apps, or I'm getting paid to announce these. I just do my due diligence. I do research, and I want to make sure that I bring you something legitimate in order for you to go out there and make money. So that's what this channel is about. So this app is called App Karma. So App Karma, it also another awesome website. So you can earn rewards just by playing. It is absolutely free. You can download it. If you click on here, it's going to take you over, but you can complete offers. You can earn surveys. You can redeem your points. You get PayPal money. You also get like brand gift cards as well. And it's available on like Android and also iOS. So I'm going to click on the iOS. It's probably going to take me there because, of course, I'm using a Mac. So put your phone number here and you text me the app. So, hey there, if you are on an iPad, you would click on here. So this is like for Android or smartphone, they will tell you where. On a desktop, they will send you like a SMS with a link in it. You download it and boom, you just go right there. So if you do not, we do not store your phone number. Sorry. So they want to make sure that they let you know that they don't store it. So some other frequently asked questions that people always ask, right, is apply for bonuses. There's featured articles. There's general FAQs, App Karma, terms and services, earning rewards, like playtime, karma, invite friends. So you can also invite friends and you can even make more money. So that's a good thing. So there's like 100 referral limit if you're not a VIP. So once you get over 100, then you got to be a VIP in order for you to get more. And you can earn like 30% off your referral. So let's say if you start referring this, you make $100, 30% of that is going to be yours. So this is what it looks like on the Google store, and they're a 4.5, even better. Like this right here, over 300,000 people. Like this app right here, you can use this, right? You can use this and you can get started making money like right away. Of course, this is not going to get you super rich. Do not use VPN or proxies. Every time you do that, you're going to get blocked. A lot of people leaving good reviews. Of course, you're going to have one person who is not happy because you cannot please everybody. But you could see the type of reviews that, a 4.5, like 4.5 over 300,000 comments, like that is huge. So combine these two apps, right? And when you're getting multiple different surveys, you're just gonna fill them out. You fill them out, you make money. The next thing that you could do also is you can refer people to these apps. So that's how you can even make more money. Like if you got a lot of people on your contacts, you don't need to spam your link. Just say, hey, what's up? Haven't spoke to you in a while. Just so you know, I'm working on this app and it is pretty cool. If you want to try it out, you can also do some surveys and you can make some money on the side. But don't be like, boom, start sending people links because, hey, that's annoying. And I know how it is because I get a lot of them on my number and it's super annoying. So those are the two apps that you can get started. And as I said, like this is not going to get you super rich. It's not going to take you out of the hole, but it's some money, right? And if you combine all of what I've been saying over and over again, you can make a little bit of money here and there. You're not going to get rich, but it's good. You could do something with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And that video was how, earn PayPal money fast and easy, how to make money online in 2020. So I hope you take this advice, go out there and crush it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments what you think, and peace out. See you in the next video. I'm out.